I am Rhonda Young, so I'm a faculty member here in civil engineering and the current chair of the department. Civil engineering really is a field made up of subdisciplines, and sometimes it can feel kind of like a broad, sort of disparate field, but really what unites all of civil engineering is this idea of civil infrastructure and serving sort of civilization. So we have this kind of overriding thing about public health and safety and sustainability in the environment. So most of the presentations will be talking about these five subdisciplines that we're focused here at Gonzaga on. But just a few things, some quick facts about our program that we're particularly proud of. We, as a school, have a really high study abroad rate, and that includes engineering students. And that is unusual because a lot of times engineering programs, it's difficult for study abroad to work with an engineering curriculum, but we've really focused on making that happen. We have very strong relationships between the students and faculty because of the size and the sort of passion and dedication of our faculty. And what's also nice about the faculty that we have is that it's a really good blend of people who are practicing in the profession, have practiced in the profession in the past, and who are also research active faculty, so who are forward thinking and thinking about where the profession is going. So they bring a lot to the classroom with that. We are an engineering program that is very much grounded in the overall mission of Gonzaga. So it's not just the how of engineering, it is the why. Why are we trying to solve these problems, and how can we make the world a better place? And then I just pulled a few numbers that are common numbers that students and most likely their parents are pretty interested in, but how our students are doing in terms of internships. So 90% of our students have at least one internship. Many of them have multiple internships by the time they graduate. High job placement, or students who are seeking to go on to graduate school. And we do very well in what's called the Fundamentals of Engineering exam. So national pass rates for civil engineers are usually in the high 60s or 70s when you look at all programs in the nation, but we have been doing quite well in this. And this engineering exam is the first path to being a professional engineer.